Whoa. I'm wearing a shirt. It just looks like I'm not wearing a shirt because my hair is covering it. Okay, maybe I'll go like that. Hi guys, Alyssa here, and it is Amber's birthday tomorrow. So I thought that I would make her a gift. I am going to make her some little marzipan animals and little cute things. We'll see what I can do. It might be harder than I think. Anyways, so I'm going to whip up some marzipan and then see what I can make out of it. Thought you guys might like to join in the fun.
I started with a cup and a half of almond flour and a cup and a half of powdered sugar. Then mixed that up until it wasn't clumpy. Then added 2 teaspoons of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of water, and 1 egg white. Mix that all up until it was a paste, like so. And that's how you make a giant ball of marzipan. Oh yeah! Then I split it up so that I could color it a bunch of different colors.
I started with brown because I'm making a mousse. To make my mousse, I took a little bit for the head, a little for the body, rolled it into a cylinder, cut the cylinder on both sides, and rounded those sides off to make legs, and shaped it for the mousse's body. Then I took the part for the head, rolled it up a little bit, and put it on top. Then I took a little bit and made a snout, question mark, or whatever you call that. Then I went to make the antlers, but I realized that I don't know what moose antlers look like. So I ate a piece of marzipan and went to Google it. Once I remembered what moose antlers looked like, I used a little sculpting tool to cut some antlers out and shape them and put them on my moose. I used a little glass bowl to hold up the antler while it was drying and shaped the other antler and put that one on as well. Then I used a little bit of white to make some eyes, some brown to make some eye color, and a food marker for some facial detailing. I also used some edible glue to stick the left antler back on because it fell off, and the glass mold to hold it up while it was drying. And the mousse is done. Beautiful. Next, I used some marzipan that I colored pink to make some roses. I pressed little portions of it into petals and rolled one up for the center, and then took the other petals and just put them around the center over and over again until I ended up with a nice little roses, like that one. I also used powdered sugar to keep my hands from getting too sticky, so pro tip. Next, I rolled out some marzipan to make some letters to spell out happy birthday. Then I used my nice little box and put my mousse, my roses, and the happy birthday all in there beautifully. Okay, it's all done. It took me a really long time, and I'm sweating for some reason. I guess I'm really out of shape. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's really super cute, and like, I just think it's adorable. Amber's birthday is tomorrow and I'm gonna see her for brunch. So I'm going to bring it and give it to her then, and I'll film it so you guys can see her reaction. What is it? There you go, you can open it. Yeah, it is! I made it! I love it! I want to eat it. I also brought this because I thought you might want to eat it. Oh, wow! This is so cute! Kids.
For those of you who don't know, I used to collect moose as I would say a child, but I was like 15.
It kept happening.
Happy birthday! I love you.
I love you. This is so cute. She's 25.